So, Mr. Anderson, what can I do for you? Mr. Anderson, I hereby charge you with indecent exposure. That's a really shit accent there.
Of the camera is off. Because this is with the red head behind the track. It's a nice wide open space there. There's the crane in the background. Okay, cool. Something I found, this is just with a shorter red head with the diffusing paper over the front of it. Quite like the dark shadows. The camera's I can fin. Cool.
Day 45 of the Bartram filming project. I'm slowly losing my mind.
The light's got to be far away from him to keep the shadow from being more defined. With him far enough away from the wall that I can get the shadow. This is so much fun. Oh. Just trying this.
Oh.
Sorry, Ben.
That's alright. That was my own fault. I was like doing like the flash of it and I've got this big colour spot in front of my vision.
This is what Finn is looking at. Oh yes, it's working. Ah, good shout, Finn. The camera shadow completely out of shot. And actually, you can get an extreme close up.